Hello there, and thank you for taking the time to look at the PowerPoint for engineering and manufacturing here at Sandbach High School. We study a Cambridge National Engineering and Manufacturing OCR, BTEC Level 1 and 2. Most students will go on to do the Level 2 qualification, which will be 4 units, 2 of which are mandatory. One of those is a written examination, and then there were 2 further optional ones, which is Computeraided Manufacturing and Quality Control and Engineering Products. The units are designed to give the students the best possible experience of engineering, of modern engineering as it is. The first unit is the written examination. This is where all their skills and knowledge which they are taught is assessed externally through an exam. Obviously, being vocational, we try and get the students as involved as possible in real life situations. That includes things like site visits to manufacturing facilities in the area. We do lots of manufacturing and practical activity ourselves. A lot of what we learn is done in a practical way, making things, looking at computer-aided design, using the computers to manufacture things. Okay, in fact, one of the units is a CNC unit, okay, which is the one here, Computer-Aided Manufacturing. We have good facilities in the school to do this with. We've got 3D printers, we have CNC machines, all of which the students will be involved in using to a high level. Okay, the last one is quality. The last unit to do is quality control and engineering products, which is where we look at the products the students are making themselves, but also products from a real life situation, maybe a JCB component or such like, and we'll do some quality assurance about that and look at how quality has evolved over the years. We look at lean manufacturing, modern manufacturing techniques, and how quality assurance and quality control ensures the products hit specifications and manufacturing needs. Career pathways. This course fits nicely onto the A-level Design Technology Product Design or to the A-level Design Technology Design Engineering. Either of those are good pathways forward. They do include a little bit of maths, okay? You don't need to be a mathematician, although we do apply some mathematical terms and things within our making, you know, so you do need that practical sort of aptitude, okay? What to expect? Well, it's vocational, as I said before, therefore we try and make it as lifelike as possible by bringing and working closely with local industries, local universities, exploring what engineering, modern engineering is all about, what is necessary, the skills. We teach things like, we'll do things like teamwork, problem solving, those soft skills that perhaps don't get touched on quite so much in other subjects maybe. We use regularly to work in teams. We may well do mock-up production lines, that side of things, okay? We try to do it in a very practical, stimulating way, which encourages good teamwork and good cooperation skills, okay? Ideally suited for people who like to apply the knowledge they're learning. Someone who is good practical wise, good problem solving skills, someone who works well as a team as well as an individual, someone who can be self-independent learning. There's a lot of what we do is very much a case of working and in the classroom, but also away from the classroom as well. Okay, so it's someone with a real keen interest in modern engineering, modern manufacturing, and where it can take us to in the future. In schools itself, in the school itself, we have a tradition of being really keen and actually success in national competitions and international competitions. We have a green power car. We also run the F1 in schools championship, and we also now have a link with First Tech Challenge UK, robotics challenge. So we're having teams going. So there's lots and lots of opportunities for students to get involved with extracurricular activities, which can only support their understanding and their development as individuals. Okay, it's incredibly short, quick whistle-stop tour of the course. My name is Mr. Ebsworth. As I said, my email is there, mbebsworth@sandonhighschool.co.uk. Please feel free to email me with any questions. I would gladly have a chat with anyone who's interested. and then have got any questions about the course in any way whatsoever. Thank you for taking the time to listen, and I hope that's given you an insight into engineering manufacturing as a possible GCSE level qualification.